Hi everyone, it's Rachel here at Lasting Impressions Gifts in Manotick. And if you're sticking around for March break and you're looking for some ideas of things to do during your staycation, I have a few suggestions for you. We have our Radiate portable campfire in stock. This is a great product, really easy and super fun. You can just create your own little portable campfire in the backyard. And then you can make an evening of it with some gourmet hot chocolates and some cookies or chocolates to go along with it. We have our gourmet pancake mixes from Maison Zoe Ford in stock. And again, you can just make it fun by creating them in this really cute maple leaf form using the silicone mold. We have our gourmet pizza gift set as well. It has everything that you need in there to make a really fun pizza night. It's also got some sweets and cheese and crackers. And then you can add the fixie to that, which is our bicycle shaped pizza cutter. Just makes it really fun. We have some games in stock. We have our Dogzaster stacking game in back, some trivia games, movie night scratch cards, and then our Aussie slang and millennial slang playing cards as well. So everything that you see here is available now in store and online at ligonline.ca. We are now open 7 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 11 a.m. until 5 p.m., and Sundays, 12 p.m. until 4 p.m.